Welcome to Digitally Nifty Planner Instruction video. When first opening the planner, you should see the title page, the Rainy Day and Rainbows Planner. In the upper right hand corner, you will see an arrow. Click it to go to the Table of Contents page. Throughout the planner, you will have arrows in the right hand corner to help you navigate back and forth through the pages. When on the Table of Contents page, you will see links to written and video instructions on how to use this planner, which you may have already clicked to get to this video. On the next page, this is just a quick overview on what is available. You will see a few of these words are underlined. They are quick hyperlinks to those specific pages. If you are on a page, for example, the goals page, and you would like to get back to the table of contents quickly, you will see a little house in the upper right hand corner by the arrows. When you click it, it will bring you back to your table of contents view. To get to January, you can either click the right arrow on the table of contents page or the January tab to the right. Every month starts with this month's view. If you click on the rain cloud, the right arrow, or the calendar on the bottom left here, it will bring you to this month's specific week page. If you keep clicking the arrows, it can bring you to each day of the week for this specific month. Or you can click on the day of the week that you would like to go to, and it will bring you to that day. If you would like to go back to this week's page, you can click on the calendar in this right-hand corner and it will bring you back to this week. This will be the same for every month. Under the More tab, you have hyperlinks for bill, money, password, or goal trackers, along with a shopping list and a food log page. I have included a blank page for whatever use you may need for it. This blank page is slightly different than the blank page at the bottom. The extra page is like blank white paper. There is also blank grid, lined, and dots pages. The last tab is for any extra notes you might have. I hope this helps with your navigation of this planner. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you have a nifty day.